What is the meaning of the word chapter? As a noun, a subdivision of a written work, usually numbered and titled. Any distinct period in history or in a person's life. A local branch of some fraternity or association. An ecclesiastical assembly of the monks in a monastery or even of the canons of a church. A series of related events forming an episode. Examples of use. He read a chapter every night before falling asleep. The Industrial Revolution opened a new chapter in British history. The divorce was an ugly chapter in their relationship. Chapter is spelled C-H-A-P-T-E-R. Chapter.